Your website should look good, and the quality of a website depends on how the elements are used in it. HTML helps us with that. It allows us to use a variety of elements to make the base of any website attractive. Hi and welcome to this lecture. My name is Aditi. In this lecture, we are going to learn about HTML block and inline elements in HTML and a couple of examples with them. So let's get started. Every HTML element has a default display value, depending on what type of element it is. There are two display values: block, inline. HTML block. A block level element always starts on a new line. A block level element always takes up the full width available, stretches out to the left and right as far as it can. It has a top and a bottom margin, whereas inline element does not. Here's a list of some block level elements in HTML: address, article, aside, canvas, div, table, etc. Now, let's see an example of div tag. The div tag is known as a division tag. The div tag is used in HTML to make divisions of content on the web page like text, images, header, footer, navigation bar, etc. As we know, div tag is a block level tag. Now here is an example of block level element. The hello world is inside of the block level div tag. Let's see the output now. You can see the div element being displayed. Now let's see our next point, which is inline elements. An inline element does not start on a new line. An inline element only takes up as much width as necessary. This is a span element inside a paragraph. Now here are the inline elements in HTML: A, bottom, I, span, br, strong. I hope by looking at these examples, you got an idea of what an inline block is. Now here's an example of inline element. In the example, we are going to use the span element. The HTML span element is a generic inline container for inline elements and content. It used to group elements for styling purposes by using the class or ID attributes. A better way to use it when no other semantic element is available. The span tag is very similar to the div tag, but div is a block level tag and span is an inline tag. Now let's see the code. In this example, the span element will not start on a new line and only takes up as much width as necessary. We have given the style to the words hello world, but it does not start from the new line. Now let's see the output. So as you can see, the style has been applied to the words and it is in the same line. So this is it for today, guys. Here's an assignment for you. Create a div tag and insert an image in it. I hope you enjoyed today's lecture. Looking forward to meeting you in the next one. Goodbye and take care.